Welcome to Daily Rasa. This is a series where we talk about everyday foods, spices, and herbs. So today we're talking about apples, and to start off with, we're talking about rasa. Rasa is the taste, and it is the quickest acting because its field of experience is the tongue and in the mouth. So it's the first thing you experience. And the rasa of a ripe apple is primarily astringent, sweet, and sour, while an unripe or a green apple is going to be predominantly astringent and sour. The next part is called virya, and virya is the potency as it's heating or cooling. So this is experienced primarily in the stomach and the small intestine. So after you taste the food and then you eat it and you start to digest it, it will have an effect on your body temperature, how you feel, whether it's heating you up or cooling you down. So apples, whether they're ripe or unripe, have a cooling virya, so they help to cool down the heat. And last is vipak. Vipak is post-digestive effect, and its field of activity takes place in the colon. So vipak tends to relate more to a longer standing usage of a substance, its effect over time, and its effect on the bodily waste. Ripe apples have a sweet vipak, and unripe apples have a pungent vipak. So apples are a good food primarily for pitta dosha people or fiery people because apples are cooling, and this helps to reduce and relieve a lot of built up heat and acidity. So apples are very alkalizing. They are next best for kapha type of people because the astringency can help to relieve excess kapha. And vata people, or the air and etheric people, should pretty much avoid apples unless they are well cooked with their skins removed. The qualities or gunas of the apple are primarily rough and light, which are both qualities of vata. So like increases like, so eating raw apples like this will increase vata because of its rough and light qualities. So if vatas want to eat them, they should peel them and have them prepared warm and cooked with some spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, stuff that is warming and digestive. Another interesting thing about apples is their seeds. So if you cut them open like so, you have this really nice star shape, and that gives you a little insight into the nature of the core of the apple and its seeds. So apple seeds have some very unique qualities. Typically they're not eaten because they are bitter and astringent and will increase vata, but they do serve as a potent medicine for some people as they contain vitamin B17. That's something you'll have to research on your own. Some people talk about cyanide in the seeds. Well, there's such a small amount, you would have to eat probably 10 pounds of seeds to get some sort of dosage of cyanide. So that's all for apples today. Thank you for joining me on Daily Rasa, and we'll see you next time.